In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add rows and columns in a PowerPoint table. This is a handy skill for anyone looking to make their presentations more versatile and organized with tables. So let's dive right in and explore how you can quickly and efficiently modify your tables in PowerPoint to better suit your presentation needs. First things first, you'll need to open PowerPoint on your computer. Whether you're running it through Office 365 or have a standalone application, the process will be similar across different versions. Once you've got PowerPoint up and running, go ahead and open the PowerPoint presentation you're working on. Navigate to the slide that contains the table you want to modify. This is important because any changes you make will apply to the table you have selected on your slide. Now click directly on your table. This might seem straightforward, but it's a crucial step to ensure that PowerPoint recognizes what you intend to edit. Once your table is clicked, you'll notice that additional options become available in the menu. This is where we begin to fine-tune our table. With the table selected, look towards the top of your screen and you'll see a tab labeled Table Layout. Click on this tab and you'll find that a whole new set of tools and options appear. This layout tab is your gateway to customizing various aspects of your table, from its appearance to the structure. Next, direct your attention to the section within the Table Layout tab called Rows and Columns. This section is designed specifically for the task at hand. You'll find several options here, including adding or removing rows and columns, which will allow you to tailor your table precisely how you want it. If you wish to add more rows above the current selection, simply click the Insert Row Above option. This will add another row directly above the one you're currently highlighting. This feature is particularly useful when you find the need to insert additional data or text above existing information without disrupting your current layout. To add more columns, perhaps when you need to categorize further or expand your data horizontally, click on Insert Column Left. This option inserts a new column to the left of your current position, granting you more space to input related figures or additional sections of content. And there you have it, a straightforward way of expanding your tables in PowerPoint to better fulfill your presentation requirements. Now you can enhance your presentations by ensuring your tables are detailed and organized, making your information clear and accessible. Keep practicing these steps to become more efficient at customizing tables, so they perfectly represent the information you want to communicate. Thank you for tuning in, and happy presenting.